Hello and welcome to another video blog post from CMS Quick Start. I'm your host Doug Van. Today we are talking about the Arrange Fields module. It's been around for a little over 3 months and I gotta tell you, this thing is amazing. Whenever you have to present your users with forms, typically you have just the top field all the way down to the bottom field, and you can change the order of those, of course, in Drupal. But that's all you can do is put the top on the top, and middle on the middle, the bottom on the bottom. What if you wanted to put things side by side, or at angles, or include some extra markup, or just do some really cool stuff? Well, the Arrange Fields module lets you do that. And I'm going to show you how in just a second. Who are we? We are cmsquickstart.com. Do check us out at the address cmsquickstart.com. What are you going to find there? There are 20 plus premium themes. These are pre-configured Drupal instances that look really, really good. They have views, carousel slideshows. They have quick tabs, most visited content, most recent content, polls. There's a lot of different themes to choose from. It really is the turnkey solution to your next Drupal project. Who am I? I am Doug Van. Check me out at dougvan.com. And like I always do, I'm going to use dougvan.com as the example for the Arrange Fields module. Right here is the Contact Me button. If you go to that page, it looks like this. Here's the little text description on top, and then the first field is name, second is nature of inquiry, and then email, then message, then file, then submit. From top to bottom, boom. What if I want side by side, or multiple columns, or whatever? If you want to change this, you can do that. You can go into the theming layer and do some classes and some styles and some margins and some paddings and some absolute positioning and all kinds of fun stuff. But it's going to be a lot of work for theming. It really is. Let's not do it that way. Let's use the Arrange Fields module. Here's the Arrange Fields module. You put it where all your modules go, and that is Sites All Modules. And then you unwrap it there and go to your modules page and turn it on. Click it right there. It says Arrange Fields. So once you've done that and go to visit your form, you see something entirely different. So let's go have a look at that web form over here on Content Management, Web Forms, because the contact form on dougvan.com is a web form. And there's the first one called Contact. We'll edit that one. And there's a new option here we did not have previously called Arrange Fields. And clicking on that button gives us this page here, which is very cool. Check it out. There's this really cool big grid we can use to rearrange things just by dragging and dropping. Let's get to it. Let's put name off to the right there. Let's put email to the left of that. Let's put the message over here. And let's give it some more room to breathe over here, a little wider, maybe a little shorter, a little like that. We'll bring the file over here to kind of create a justification there, and then bring the submit button maybe up here. And how about a little note to our users? Let's add markup. Here's the add markup button. And by the way, if you read this, use this form to drag and drop fields into the order which you want them to appear on the web form entry page. You may resize text fields by dragging the right side of the field. Very cool. So I want to move this up just a little bit higher and then create a markup here. I'm going to say something simple like thanks, and then apply that, and then bring this down over here right under the thank you. Alrighty, maybe a little bit to the left. Just a little bit. Okay, good. Now back to the right. You can put it any place you want. Okay. So I'm going to save position data, and I've totally rearranged how these fields will look now. Now head over to our page, the Contact Doug Van form page, and hit the view button to refresh the page, and boom. So what was once a boring vertical layout is now a multi-columned, kind of spatially cool-looking situation here. And there's our little markup, and you can add all kinds of markup. I just made a very simple example there, but that is cool. So again, why would you want to do this? If your website presents forms to users, whether they be anonymous or members, and those forms could be for job applications or job posting requests or product reviews or recipes or whatever your situation is, you're asking for data. And also, don't think of it just as you to the users, but maybe you to your clients. Your clients are entering products maybe for UberCart, or they're entering data for new pages or articles or newsletters or whatever have you. We can now present node add and node edit forms in a different way, in a more attractive way. Of course, vertical tabs goes a long way to make those forms prettier as well, but this is even a step beyond that and giving us field by field control over the layout, and that's pretty cool. And again, you find it over here at drupal.org/project/arrange_fields. Check it out. Love it. I know you will. And again, we are cmsquickstart.com. If you like our blogs, let us know. There's a contact button right there. If you want to see some kind of specific topic discussed, let us know. We've responded to a number of people who've said, I want to see this, or X, or Y, or Z, and we respond to those. So if there's a module you want to know about, I'll talk about it. If there's a process you want to see explained, or how do I accomplish some task, let me know, and I will cover that for you. Check out all the previous blog posts on the blog tab. Also, check me out at dougvan.com. Hit my beautiful contact form. This form here used to not be so beautiful, but it is now because we just changed it. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the arranged fields. Hope that increases your productivity. Have a great day. Bye-bye.